In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to file Uber Eats taxes on TurboTax. If you deliver with Uber Eats, the IRS treats that money as self-employment income, which gets reported on a Schedule C. Before we dive in, it helps to have your Uber Eats tax summary, any 1099s you received, and your records for mileage and expenses like parking, tolls, hot bags, and a portion of your phone bill. Don't worry if you don't have every receipt in front of you right now. TurboTax will guide you through what's needed. Start by signing in to TurboTax and opening your current tax return. From the main navigation, move your mouse over the income area to open the income options. This makes it easy to see all the places you can report what you earned during the year. Next, choose the wages and income summary. This page collects every income type in one spot so you can confirm your W-2s, investments, and most importantly for delivery work, your business income. From the summary, look for the self-employment section and select it. This is the spot designed for gig work like Uber Eats. Here's where TurboTax organizes your business profile, your income from the app, and your deductible expenses, then calculates both income tax and self-employment tax for you. Select Revisit to open or continue the guided interview. If you're filing this for the first time, Revisit simply starts the process. If you've entered anything before, it lets you review and update your numbers so everything matches your latest statements. When TurboTax asks whether you had self-employment income, choose Yes. That confirms you earned money from work that didn't come from a W-2 job. Even if you didn't receive a 1099, you still need to report what you earned from deliveries. The Yes answer ensures TurboTax builds the right forms and questions for you. To complete this section, you need to be on TurboTax Premium. If you're prompted to upgrade, that's expected for delivery driver income because Premium includes the self-employment forms, expense categories, and mileage tracking options you'll use. Accepting the upgrade ensures everything is calculated correctly and helps you capture the deductions you're entitled to. From here, TurboTax will walk you through entering your Uber Eats totals, tips, mileage, or actual vehicle expenses, and other common write-offs. Take your time, answer carefully, and save as you go. When you're done, you'll see a summary of your results and can proceed to review and file. That's all you need to get your Uber Eats taxes handled in TurboTax with confidence.